Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick review of this lunar landscape I got from Culttvman. Basically, it's a big piece of resin that looks like the moon. Comes with two nameplates, one for Space 1999, one for 2001 Space Odyssey. And basically, you can put your 14-inch eagle on here or the moonbus. This is really nice and easy. It comes in that color, as you can see here, and when you get it, all you really have to do is take your model hobby knife and just sort of trim away a few pieces. Most of this was fine, but there were a few extra thin pieces that were around the edges. Not all the edges, but some of them. So you just take your knife and you cut them back. And then what I did was I washed this with a little bit of simple green and a toothbrush also, just a little bit. And then I dried it, and this right here is just a gray primer. It's Rust-Oleum gray, flat gray primer, and this looks awesome. This looks absolutely awesome. So I sprayed that up, and I sprayed these up. I used a white pen, and if you look really closely, they're not perfect, but I'll have to get in there and touch that up a little bit, but they don't look too bad. So this fits my 14-inch eagle very well. And actually, hold on one second and I'll put it on. Okay, there you see it there in my nice model cabinet. My 14-inch eagle on top of the lunar landscape, and looks pretty awesome, guys. There's the back end of it right there. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.